Liberty! Thank you for coming. We're here doing a tier list again today, and this time it will be about the Honkai Star Rail animated shorts. I've already done character trailers and the Myriad Celestials. Please check them out, and let's get started. And we're gonna start from the very beginning. I have watched these four, this one, and that's it. Let's check out the very first animated short. MiHoYo anime. Wait. I don't think they show that anymore, right? Oh boy. Balabog. Our general... Wait, huh? This is not Belobog. Wait, what? Where are we? Wait, he's not from Belobog.
Heed this oath. As clouds that cover the heavens, will the knights protect the Xianzhou. Draw!
Yes, Master.
Huh?
As clouds that cover the heavens,
will the knights protect?
Wait, she's his master? Wait, did I just watch correctly?
Hold firm. A cloud knight must never let slip their wiggle, nor
Wait, what?
in their form.
yes, Master.
There's no way he's gonna win. He's his master. Oh my god, this is sick. In that little second, he saw his life passing by.
Master.
What happened with her?
So it is with the Mara struck.
Okay, the Mara struck got her as well. That's
To
why
become
she's...
stricken with Mara is to be a long-life
Going nuts.
species. If I too become stricken in times hereafter, you must not hold back.
Ooh.
Master.
No! Wait, but she does not have the vibes of it. It must be something else.
sense of time, humanity waiting, a serious case. You should leave, Jingyuan.
Holy shit. Feels like she's only getting stronger. He can't go all out against her. Look at the struggle. Oh.
Farewell,
No! No! The music too. I'm gonna cry.
gift of instruction. I will pay this strike.
Oh my god. No, is the star gonna vanish?
$9,996, $9,997, $9,998, $9,999.
What if history
10,000.
repeats
A
itself?
cloud knight must never let slip their weapon, nor let slacken their form.
What if he will go nuts
Lo,
as well?
You'll have to grow a little taller before the knights will have you.
I want to be like you, General. I want to be a famous Xianzhou legend.
You do. It is a difficult road.
But that's the road you took, right, General?
Ooh.
Seeing as you're so full of fighting spirit,
Yeah. I won't hold back.
Why is he fighting with his actual weapon? He should just take a training sword as well. Isn't that how it usually goes? She's also Blades Master! Guys, you're spoiling the whole game for me. What? I didn't know that. 8,000 kilogram? I don't believe that. Shit, it's actually 8,100. That is what Google is saying. That is crazy. Damn, that was pretty good. Shit. Oh god. I think we start with an A. We do the classic. A is a good starter, and from there we will see if we will go up or lower. It has some good story. It's quite emotional. The music is good, and then we just see the circle of life, and then we just get all sad, and it does give us a little bit of drama in everyday life. A good mix, which I like. Finally, the next one is my husbando. Finally, I will get to see a little bit more of him. Oh my god, just the music box music.
Cheers!
Hey, why the frown, Ming? You too, Embargo Lune. Let's see you smile.
Let them off the hook, by heart. They're still sore from losing to Jing Liu.
Want a rematch? I'm always available.
I'm getting emotional already. Oh no.
How long will you keep running? I have to leave. Leave? You'll find no refuge among the stars. The High Elder succession is as eternal and unyielding as the ancient sea. That past is yours? No. You are my reincarnation. A mirror image. A past life sin must be repaid in this one. Not you! For those who defy our creed and break the succession, death is the only redemption.
What? Inside, he's literally fighting for death. That is not fair. Why is he the criminal? He didn't do anything. What the heck?
You have nowhere to run.
Gone found guilty of unpardonable sin. In light of past merit, the sentence shall be commuted to molting rebirth and eternal banishment.
Why did you take this path?
Hand over the transmutation arcanum and the preceptors will spare
Why did
your
you
life.
do this? It's all because of you.
Starting today, you're one of the express crew.
Done, hon. I'm clocking off for now. Attention! The express is about to make the jump.
Oh my god.
You're right. You are my past. But you won't follow me into my future!
Yes! Oh my god!
I will blaze a path of my own! And it's futile!
Oh my god.
then. Leave. And don't look back.
Don Hung, quit daydreaming. Give me a smile. Another one. Say cheese.
I love him!
Huh?
Are you alright? Just reminiscing.
Huh? Reminiscing? About what? Come on, tell me.
Let him be, Marge.
Okay, first thing, what is wrong with the mix? Why is it so quiet? And here it's like good because there's like a lot of like battle sound and water and I don't know, his breaking out. Yeah, that was really good. Damn. I didn't know it would start at this point in the past. Jingliu is still normal. Is this Blade? I'm not there yet, so I don't know what's going on here, but I think this is Blade. And then they were like still getting along, and then we get to see his struggle, the big twist where he just makes up his mind, and I just love it here. Himiko Belt,
Today, you're one of the express crew.
Marge, Trailblazer, and then Pom Pom. Pom Pom is the last.
Express is about to make the jump.
Pom Pom gives him the last push to fight. Pom Pom.
Follow me into my future!
Oh my god, this is so good. The music, oh, this is crazy. I mean, guys, so it's my husbando, okay? I don't want to hear anything about my point. No. This is peak. This is S, and now you like him as well. The next one, Sparkling Tricks.
The world's just like a big non-stop circus, showcasing beasts brawling all day and night. Bears on unicycles, lions leaping through fire hoops, monkeys juggling bowls. Me, I'm happy being a side character in the background, cheering on those who have the limelight. Then at the climax of the performance, bang! Sparkling like fireworks into brilliant colors. You think the leading character would dare do this?
Ooh. I mean, it has nice visuals, nice music, because it's the same music as her character trailer. It's just the Sparkle being a little bit crazy, talking about the usual. It's just Sparkle. It is alright. I have to put it in B. Like, there's no way it's better or any close to these trailers. I don't know. I think it's a B. Then we have Harmony greets the new year. What? Huh. Is this?
It's what the Xianzhou people use in their traditional dance. Dragon's form and lion's likeness. Put them on. You two will be performing shortly.
Ooh.
You'll see, little boy.
Is it a competition?
Wait a minute. Let me give them some eyes first. That's what brings them to life. All right, on with it.
Interesting.
Everyone! Dragons and lions, we're second to none.
Ooh.
So give us a cheer. It's time for
Oh,
some fun.
Lotus. So delicious.
The show has begun.
The Jade Gate shines in brilliant solar might. Both heaven and earth alike are bathed in light. Toward the sun, the dragon starts to soar, as echoing through the clouds, the lions
Do you see the
roar.
difference of
Great rings
the
dragon
animation, the
taketh
brush
from the
strokes?
skies,
This is so
as
smooth.
tearing through the land,
The other trailers are just
the
like
lion
the
flies. Both wind and rain imbue the mountain air. The one without the other, half as fair. In evil's grasp, the Xianzhou starts to quake. The land submerged in turgid evil's wake. Throughout the dells are felt the scars of war, in biting wind and barren sands and more. The dragon, now deprived of water's home. The lion, weak from battle, all alone. Outnumbered in the order 10 to 1. How then is the battle to be won?
Oh. No way! See? My husband was the best. Without him,
Yet dragon
they could not
lion
continue the
both
show.
return to fight. The battle shared
I
in
love it that
memory,
he noticed
burning
immediately
bright.
that Duncan was
In
doing
evil
something.
vanquished lies
It just
tomorrow's
shows
sun.
so much that they know each other so well, and you know
Why?
how deep their friendship is, how much they hung out with each other. I've seen a video of people doing this IRL actually, and this is so hard. I don't know how people do this. Whoa, whoa, there she is, guys. Aww, I'm a little kid giving some sweets to my husband, though. This just proves that my husband is the best. The very best. Am I right or am I right? It was not as good as the general. I think this feels better. This feels good. It's just like a little side lore. It was not too important as well. It's not like as important as the other ones, okay? Alright. Acheron.
The remembrance is no different than the sea. Never gaze upon its surface on a starless night.
Black Swan.
Waiting for someone.
Is this their first time seeing each other?
Then, how about a dance?
Huh? Is anybody else dancing? Oh
My
my.
gaze
Oh.
has lingered on her for quite a while.
Oh!
And tonight, I initiate our first engagement. A Galaxy Ranger, as mysterious as the rumors suggest.
Oh my
A
god!
blend of nobility
You're just doing a tango?
and reticence. Yet, in this nocturnal hunt, the Ranger is not the only one who hunts. At this distance, you're more enchanting.
I
than
like
you
their
seem.
expressions, man.
Without a doubt, she
Why are they
seeks
so
the
good?
Watchmaker's legacy. In this game, everyone lies. But memories
Oh my god!
do not.
They're just like so focused on each other.
Just
Nobody
keeps
else.
on
Oh!
getting better, doesn't it? Everyone has a past, and the past shapes the present. Some people hold on to memories, while others are haunted by them, unable to escape. That is why I took action. to know what she is.
Oh my
Many were drawn to
goodness.
this feast. The IPC, the Garden of Recollection, Fools, the Nameless, and the Annihilation Gang. They should have been present, but Duke Inferno is dead. He and his children won't be attending. What have you done, beautiful ranger? Excuse me.
Oh my god! Is she oh my god! What? Oh my god, this is... Holy shit! Wow, she really took the lead there, huh?
Who are the Annihilation Gang?
Yeah, of course, I can run.
My gaze has lingered on her for quite a while, and tonight is our final engagement. The Galaxy Ranger. No, I've made a grave mistake. Everyone has a past, but for some, their past is a silent abyss, filled with those who drowned in it.
Annihilation Gang. Annihilation Gang. Oh. Those guys.
For real? Really? She didn't know their name? This is the way she found out they're called Annihilation Gang? But she literally did that before she came to Penacony, right? Oh my god. She's me for real, for real. This is crazy. Okay, wait, guys. This is a lot to take. Okay, I was just... At some point, I could not talk anymore. I was just, like, enjoying. First, the choreography was absolutely mind-blowing. I really love watching dancing, I guess, in general. This is just... I could watch this for hours. It's so fun to watch. But the part, I think this is the part where Black Swan just looks into her memories and she just sees all of this, which kind of destroys her, right? This is brutal. With all the feathers and then wow. And then you just see the corpse here at the end of a swan. That is crazy. And then of like just animals hunting, you know, their prey. That's just the circle of life. Like she's hunting, you know, her stuff and just kills it with one strike. That is crazy. That is crazy. That's so well made. Oh my goodness. It's just so funny too at the end. Oh, these guys. Oh my god. What have they created here? What the fuck is this wall of text? What the heck? Yeah, guys. Yeah, that's an S for me, and I think everybody agrees that we gotta put it up there. Next one, we have the commercial from Robin. I just love red, guys. The color is just my color. I don't know. One of my favorites.
Apply your color.
Oh, she's so pretty. I need this. Can they bring this out, please? I would buy it. I'm speaking for all the girls here. I would literally buy this. I don't know. I mean, there's not much happening, guys. It's just a commercial. I don't think we should put too much weight on that video. Next one.
Your humble servant, Aventurine, at your disposal.
Heck
Just
yeah.
a cog in the machine known as the Strategic Investment Department.
I need him.
I can also play the role of friend.
Ooh.
Use me as you wish. Even stab me in the back if you see fit. I don't make deals that don't pay off. So I hope you don't disappoint me.
You always win, right? Oh, that was nice. Even though really short, but I liked it. It's very easy to show his character, and he just looks good. Let's give it a C below Sparkle. It was just very short, and, you know, they couldn't show too much. I think Sparkle was definitely still better. They did a lot more within like 30 seconds. Yeah, it was just like a 12-second difference, but I feel like there was way more in general there. But it's still good. And then we go to concert animated commercial. This is so cute. Ah, the hormone! Oh my god. The trash can! This is just really fun, to be honest. Woo! Heck yeah! Wow, look at all this merchandise. She's a collector. Guys. This is the reminder. It's fun, it's cute. You just see all the characters. I'd give it a here. No, between. I don't know. It was just like an anime opening, but like with less hype music. Am I too biased on Sparkle? We got a lot more from it. I mean, yeah, a lot more character. Okay, I give it a B minus. I feel like here we just gather up like all the fun trailers with like a lot of different characters. Okay, last 4 videos, guys. Are you ready to cry? No, I'm not, but here we go.
Command! Firefly requesting reinforcements to Swarm River. Requesting reinforcements to Rift Valley. Forward! Requesting reinforcements. I repeat, requesting reinforcements. On your feet. The target straight ahead. Keep pushing forward.
Affirmative.
Swarm Mother. Copy. Take it. What's this? Activate it when you see the signal.
Now commencing scorched earth operations for Her Majesty!
Her Majesty!
It is so sad. It keeps saying like for Her Majesty, but she does not even exist. Oh, it's so crazy.
Am I dead? Who died? Born to fight. Such is the honor of Glamoth's Iron Cavalry. For Her Majesty. Why do we die? Why do we live?
Fuck the Empress!
But Glamoth no longer exists.
Bro, imagine recording the
I
lines.
dreamed of a scorched earth.
I would
A
just
new
cry
shoot sprouted
nonstop.
from the earth. It bloomed in the morning sun and whispered to me. Like fireflies into a flame.
Mommy!
Fireflies dancing among the stars.
She just hacking destroyed the whole planet. There's no swarm left there. I don't know. I feel like the ending is like very imaginary. I mean, usually also to transform, they need the little thing, right? In their hands. She's completely naked there. So it's a little bit, I'm not sure what is actually true and not. I feel like they just leave it up to the viewer, you know, a lot of freedom to analyze it themselves. I don't think it's very accurate. That's the only thing I can say. With a lot of fantasy, maybe we can say she destroyed the planet. I mean, obviously, it shows here that because of her, you know, that's her light, her attack, the planet gets destroyed and she gets to just fly around here. But I'm not sure how accurate it is. Yeah, we're doing a tier list. We're doing we're doing a tier list. I forgot. We just watched a movie. That's why I'm like so out of it. I'm sorry. It's gotta be that like this. It has to be. There's no other way. It has to be like this. I really think quality-wise and story and we're just going through so much. She's before Acheron. All the Acheron lovers are gonna cancel me again. I'll take it, okay? I'm just a Firefly girl. I'm not an Acheron girl. Shit on me all you want. I'm Team Firefly. Okay, next one is Jade.
Wealth is the recipe to happiness. Giving it to those who desire happiness is making the best use of it.
All of it.
Anyone can receive this blessing. They only have to pay an equivalent price. I don't mind if customers buy back their collateral after they accomplish what they want. But I'll propose an even better alternative to them. A way to make them go further and climb higher.
The greed.
Price.
The human greed. She just plays with it.
Guess what they choose in the end? Hello. My name is Jade. I'm here at your request. What are you willing to exchange?
This one was okay. I don't know. I'm not particularly a fan of her, and I think, okay, this kind of shows how she's, you know, working. We got to know that in the game as well. Just doing her usual business. I don't know. I don't really like it. I'm surprised we only have one video in AIM. Alright, now finally, the end, the peak. Facial! Let's go. Oh. That's annoying. No, wait, we're just gonna see the days of both the generals? Oh my god, I would never do that the first thing in the morning. I am literally on the left. What? Workout first? Really? Yeah, I'm more chill, man. Coffee, tea. Very... Okay, okay. I think... I would be okay with both breakfasts. But I think I would prefer the left side. I'm everything on the left. Heck yeah, I'm everything on the left. It's kind of weird to me. They have like, what are like these digital watches? I don't know. It kind of looks funny on them. Guys, what the heck? Wow, she's just dashing over there, really? Well, it's more of a sprint. Holy shit. That is so dangerous! Imagine a kid would run on the... before her. She would not be able to dodge. Oh shit! Pirates! They're lucky. Ain't no way. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay, she apparently as fast as an arrow, but she cannot walk on these things! What? Oh my god, her ankle is gonna literally break. A rip ankle. Oh my goodness. Nah, that's too early in the morning for me. She's so hyper. Oh no, she's late. Oh! Is she late?
気象将軍、ラフの食べ物は口に合うかな。
Second breakfast.
ちょっと薄いけど悪くないわ。
だがまさかあの天撃将軍が遅刻する日が来ようとはな。
手ぶらってのも悪いからね。
How long did he fly?
ちょっとした手土産よ。
He must have been pretty far away flying that long. I shower in the evening, okay, guys? I shower in the evening. Who's a morning shower? I just need time in the morning. Yeah, I like her as well, and that's not good, guys. This is a mood, just hanging out with the birds. So she has sausages, salad, eggs, coffee. Bro, how many eggs is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs! Bro, that's not healthy. That is way too much. I get it, you need your proteins, but please, that's too much. Oh my god. Ah, this is kind of nice. I like it. I think she is A. This had much more personality. This is just a fun trailer, but it was really, really good. And we did see a little bit of her personality, but you know, this is just way more emotional. This catches me way more. But it's kind of fun that they are on the same tier. And with that, we conclude the tier list for the animated shorts. We did it! How do you like it? Would you put some animated short in a different tier? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for flying in. Bye bye!